Hello, this is Justin Choi. I'll be your instructor for Lesson 4 on PowerPoint, which is creating slides, managing slides, and this will be a continuation from Lesson 3. If you press Alt plus M, if I was correct, or was it Control plus M? It was Control plus M. You can create a new slide. On the home PowerPoint menu, you can see that there's a new slide feature, or Control plus M, which will give you multiple templates. Of course, you would have to select a template first before you press Ctrl plus M, otherwise it will give you the default template. If you press delete or right click and press delete, you will delete your slide. If you want to reuse your slide for another presentation, you can. Then you'll just have to import that slide over to another presentation. Now, to create sections like teaching math, this will be for, you just have to right click, add section, and then you would name your section. We'll just name this section Section 3 for the time being. Now we'll go to slide number 8, teaching English, but it will not be so. Instead, we'll just be messing around with design. If you click design, you can see how it changes for the text box colors. We'll go for As you can see, I'm just previewing the designs. We'll go for the Berlin design for the time being on this slide. As you could just press design idea to help you with design choices. I'll not press that for the time being. Now let's just switch to transition and go to slide number 9, where there's an image of a dog. If we preview it, then it'll move the slide from 8 to 9 by pushing the slide number 9 up. Since it affects the entire slide itself, we can also increase the duration. So let's say we'll just switch to duration of 2 seconds, so it'll take a little bit longer. Thus, you can see how it's just transitioning into it. Now, if we go into animations, since this is selected, this is on the dog image, we'll preview it so we can see how long it takes to fade, which is now 1.5 seconds. We'll do on click. Of course, with that on there, it will take the attention of the viewers or the target audience. So it will be hard to combine transitions and animations onto your slide. Now let's slide over to slide number 10 and give this a transition of push. As you can see, there's a video on pizza. To do that, you will just have to insert a video or audio. In this case, I used a YouTube video for audio. After you input your YouTube videos or whichever video service that you would use, it will then pop up the video. As I'm now clicking this video, I want to see. Let's format the video for the time being, which will be grabbing the video settings. We could give it a border, but we don't need to. There's your shadow settings. there's the glow setting. The glow settings will give off a color glow. So let's just say we'll be using a red. As you can see, it's turning red. The reflection is on there, and you can see that there's a size of 50%. Of course, that is not necessary, so we don't need to touch the setting. If there's anything else you want to insert into the slides, we can. For example, we could insert shapes. We can use a recent used shape like a rectangle. Now we have to draw the rectangle with your mouse by left clicking and holding it until you have the desired shape that you want. It is just as easy as deleting a slide. So you can just press delete on the selected item.